In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer in Google Sites in just 5 minutes. Adding a footer to your Google site can significantly enhance the professionalism and navigability of your website. A footer is a versatile element of a website where you can add key information like contact details, copyright notices, or links to important pages. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites page where you wish to add a footer. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into the Google account associated with the site, as that will enable you to edit your pages. Once you're on your site, scroll down to the bottom of the page. As you hover near the bottom, you'll notice a section that highlights an option to add a footer. Google Sites makes it quite intuitive, showing you exactly where you can add this element. Once you see that footer prompt, go ahead and click on it. This action will automatically bring up the footer area, where you can now start to customize what appears. You'll see that the footer section is now a part of your web page and can be easily edited. Essential elements to consider adding here might be your company's name, contact information, or quick links to other parts of your site. Each piece of information can play a crucial role in keeping your visitors informed and engaged. To edit the text or add other elements to the footer, just click inside the footer box. You can type directly into this space, streamlining the process of adding and editing content to suit your needs. Utilize the editing toolbar that pops up to format your text, adjust the alignment, or insert links as necessary. If you want to include images or icons, Google Sites allows easy insertion via the toolbar at the top. Simply look for the respective icons that let you import images or add hyperlinks. These additions can give your footer a more dynamic and visually appealing look. Remember, your website's footer is a great area for including information that you want accessible from anywhere on your site. As you finish editing, ensure that everything is spelled correctly and formatted in a way that reflects your overall branding. This is a small but impactful step in improving your site's functionality and user friendliness. Once you've completed editing your footer, make sure to double check everything to verify that all links work and all text is accurate. Then hit publish at the top right corner of your Google Sites page to save and activate the changes. With that, your footer is now live and will appear consistently across all pages associated with the site template you are using. Congratulations, you've successfully added a footer to your Google site, adding a touch of professionalism and utility that visitors are sure to appreciate. Happy site building, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.